If you're a serious gamer and you're looking to take your gaming experience anywhere with you, then the latest Asus ROG Flow Z13 NR2201 is definitely one for you to consider. It's also the world's most powerful gaming tablet. And before we get into it, massive shout out to Asus for sponsoring this video. In a true Asus ROG style, the ROG Flow Z13 comes in a cool packaging. The box is heavily ROG branded, and the left side suggests this is a package or a gift to the Republic of Gamers. It's also lightweight at just 1.1 kilogram. There's also a coordinate written on it. If you know where it leads or what it means, drop a comment below. The second box is dedicated to the power cables and brick with 100 watt PD capability. So you can charge its 56 watt hour battery to 50% charge in just 30 minutes. Inside the box, you have the ROG Flow Z13 itself. It's slick and lightweight. Usually, if you're a gamer, you'd have to carry a heavy gaming laptop with you, but now you can carry a 1.1 kilogram tablet with you and still get the same gaming experience. Around the device, you have a keyboard cover that's already attached and bundled. Everything about the ROG Flow Z13 is unique, whilst keeping within the ROG design language or DNA. On the back, you have a kickstand that's solid with 170 degrees adjustment. You can place it in different angles to cater to whatever you're doing, maybe it's movies, gaming, or typing away. Under the kickstand, there's a removable M.2 storage compartment, and what I really love about the kickstand is the red ROG tab that you use to put it out. So it adds to the design, but it's also super functional. Oh, and I also like that ports are labeled, so when you look around you see things like the USB ports and so on. Next, you notice on the back there's also a glass area which gives you a glimpse into the motherboard or its internals, which when switched on gives you this RGB lighting that's also adding to its cool factor and gaming-esque look. The whole tablet feels very premium thanks to its chassis that's covered with spacecraft-inspired machining carved right into the high-density aluminium alloy itself. And anti-fingerprint coating is also there as well, keeping it nice and fresh. The keyboard has a great key travel at 1.7mm and can easily be placed on your lap, and it's a joy to type on. The keyboard also has RGB lighting, so you can use Armoury Crate software to modify the lighting if you like. It will keep your display protected and is finished in a soft Alcantara material on the outside. Elsewhere for ports, we have a UHS 2 class microSD card reader, a Thunderbolt 4 port with DisplayPort 1.4, 2 USB-C 3.2 Gen ports, 1 USB-A 2.0 port, and a headphone jack which doubles up as a microphone as well, and eGPU port. And on the side you also have the power button with a fingerprint sensor integrated and the volume control keys. You also have 2 cameras, a front-facing and an 8-megapixel main camera. The eGPU port supports XG Mobile, so you can connect or dock it with ROG XG Mobile eGPU. It's incredible how Asus has managed to include multiple ports for easy plug and play whilst keeping it at just 12mm thin. For the display, you have a 13.4-inch IPS display with a 16:10 aspect ratio with glossy finish. It supports 100% sRGB, and you can spec this up to 120Hz refresh rate panel. It offers 500 nits of peak brightness, so it looks really good, vibrant and sharp. There's also adaptive sync and Dolby Vision supports too. So how about the performance? You can spec this up to a 14-core Intel Core i9-12900H processor that's up to 14 cores and 20 threads, ready to handle the latest AAA games. You get a GeForce RTX 3050 Ti laptop GPU, a dedicated MUX switch, and up to 16GB of LPDDR5 memory. Don't worry about cooling either, as it features a vapor chamber cooling solution paired with liquid metal, and the 0 decibel ambient cooling ensures the ROG Flow Z13 stays quiet even under full load. For those competitive online gamers, you have Wi-Fi 6E for low latency and speedy connectivity. You can also have up to 1TB SSF storage, which can store more than 10 AAA games. Of course, this wouldn't be a ROG device without the Armoury Crate software. This gives you system and lighting control, so you can easily define, customize scenario profiles that automatically make adjustments when you launch your favorite game titles. You can adjust game visuals and switch between silent, performance and turbo modes. At the point of this video, pricing and availability is not yet announced, but stay tuned for that. One more thing though, Asus also announced the latest ROG Zephyrus Duo 16 NR2202 gaming laptop. This offers up to the latest NVIDIA GPU with MUX switch, mini LED display, up to 64GB of DDR5 RAM, 4TB PCIe 4.0 storage, ROG intelligent cooling liquid metal, 4K 120Hz display or Full HD at 240Hz refresh, 6 speakers, a second 14.1-inch touchscreen with ROG ScreenPad Plus support, Wi-Fi 6E plus more. Again, full details on this if you want to find out more would be via the link in the description area. That's it for this video. If you'd like to find out more, links would be in the description area. But if this is your first time around here, please do smash that subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so every time there's a video like this, you get notified. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.